Okay, we need to talk.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Hi everyone, I'm Ben from Hoosierback Outdoors. I hope you'll enjoy the fact that you clicked on this video. Thank you for clicking. If you're new here, please remember, reach down, hit that subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated and you'll enjoy the content, I promise. We have an adventure for you today. We took John from Creek Fishing Adventures down to the ponds where we always go fishing, and we went down there to see if we could catch a fish or two. Now, it's a little bit different for his channel because he fishes mostly creeks and rivers and streams. But today, we took him down to the pond, and I think he cleaned up really good. You'll go have to check out his video when it comes out. Well, hello. There's a kitty cat. Her name's Wanda. Wild Wanda, for those of you who were wondering. What I wanted to open this video with is to let you know that you can go down and check out these t-shirts. And it'll be the t-shirt that I'm wearing during this whole video. Go check out that. If you would like to support the channel, and if you would like to support local business here in my community, it would be much appreciated. Go down, purchase a t-shirt, help us out, help out local communities. Go check the link in the description. There are 4 or 5 different colors, I'm not sure, but there's plenty of colors there to check out. So if you would go do that for me, it would really help us out a lot. Now, without any further ado, let's get to the video. Hoosierback family, and welcome to another episode. Got our friend John, Creek Fishing Adventures, here today. I've brought him out to the ponds and we're gonna see if we can get on some fish. The wind's picked up a little, but we're gonna see if we can make it happen. Stay tuned. Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Look at this. We did it. Come down here and caught a nice bass right off the bat. Nice, nice fish. Quality, healthy, good looking fish on that Strike Pro jerkbait. Hit it on the paws. Wow, I love catching pond bass. Let's let it go. There's Mr. Creek Fishing Adventures himself, getting in some pond fishing. Nice. Let's catch another one right in that same spot. Man, that gets my blood pumping.
Always catching fish.
It's hard to go away from it when you've caught a 6-pounder in here on a jerkbait.
It kind of gives you a little confidence there.
Yeah, it does. Wow, what a fish. Great start. Wow. I love when they hit it on the paws too.
Yeah.
It's like you go to give it a little twitch again and there's something there. There you go.
Going in the big one.
Hey, leave some for us.
Yeah, I thought I'd catch all the giants. Alright, that's a little better.
There you go.
That's a little better. A little pot belly. Whoa, he's got a fish sticking out his throat.
Does he? Oh my. Oh, this is a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got a fish sticking
oh no!
He lost it. That was a good fish. Oh!
That's a 3-pounder
Yeah, that was a big fish.
all day. Oh my goodness. 6 hooks and I couldn't get him in. Oh, that was a nice fish, John.
Yeah, that looked good. Get him back.
What do you do? And last but not least, we're going with the Ned rig, and that's kind of a pumpkin colored Ned rig. We'll try that one out. I haven't finesse fished any here this evening yet. We'll throw this around a little bit and see what happens. Just met some nice folks here. Guy with about 5 teenage boys. Told him I felt sorry for him, but I'd come down and fish for a little bit. It's nice to meet people out here, getting outside and enjoying being outside. Those memories that'll never be forgotten. We've caught some fish here. I caught a bluegill, bass. John, I think he's caught about 50 bluegill. I've watched him on that other bank over there. He's taking care of business. Zeke, he's caught a couple. He's way on the other side over there. But we sure have had a good time out here today. Remember, if you like this kind of thing, do us a favor. Reach down, click that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.